Good morning, TK. For our handwriting class today, we are going to roll out our objective. So you're going to say it with me, and we're going to think about how we're using our whole body in the lesson. Let's start by getting our whole body ready, okay? So your mom, your dad, no one needs to tell you. You will listen to me, and let's see how good you can show that you're being a bucket filler, right? When we listen, we get our bucket full. And that makes you happy and makes others happy. Let's be good listeners, star listeners. All right, let's get our bodies ready. Eyes forward, ears listening. Check yourself, TK. Eyes forward, ears listening. Mouths are quiet. Hands and feet are calm. And we will try our best. So now that our bodies are checked and we're facing forward, let's start with our objective. Say it with me. I can point and aim and trace curves. I can point, aim, and trace waves. So waves are curvy, they have curves, but they look more like the ocean waves. They keep going like this, okay? So we are going to need this handout right here with our race cars. You're going to need your pencil so that we can do our practice with our hand as it's getting stronger. When we write other things and we write them nicely, it's because we've been doing all this practice. So go ahead, TK. You're going to need your pencil. You're going to need your handout for our activity where you say, I can point, aim, and trace waves. So grab your things and we will begin. All right, TK, so with your talking buddy, you are going to tell them, hey, today I can point, aim, and trace waves. We're going to start by pointing, aiming, and tracing your name. So go ahead and start. We want to aim to stay in the lines. Okay, something like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to help our cars here get to the finish line, but they have to stay pointing and aiming. We're going to start from our left and we're going to our right. Ready, get set, point, aim, and trace your wave. Stay on the wave so you can get your car to the finish line. Now we're going to go to our next car. Ready? Point, aim, and trace to get our car from left to right to the finish line. One more time. Point, aim, and trace. You can say it to yourself too. Point, aim, and trace. From left to right. Maybe you're still up here, pointing, aiming, and tracing, TK, and that's okay. Ready? Point, aim, and trace. All right. So you can continue working. If you're still doing this, make sure you stay on the line to get your cars to the finish line. I look forward to seeing your work on Class Dojo.